Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make journal cards embellished with fabric. Journal cards are ideal for capturing important moments or personal thoughts in a creative and visual way. The cards can then be tucked into your junk journals or other types of creative journals as a personal remembrance. While ordinary journal cards are plain and simple, embellished journal cards are fun and easy to make and will turn your journal cards into something quite special. Journal cards can be made either as a single card or you can make them as a double card that can be folded over. Folded cards are useful for times when you want to write more than what will fit on a single card. Journal cards can be made from plain cardstock or scrapbooking paper, or you can use this free printable which has a slightly distressed surface. You can find the link to download this free printable paper set in the description below. You can tear or cut the paper to size. I like torn edges, and you can do this easily by tearing the paper along the edge of a ruler. You can make your journal cards in any size. My journal cards are about 3 to 4 inches wide by about 4 to 5 inches high. To begin embellishing your journal cards, start by selecting some fabric. You can use fabric that complements the theme or colour scheme of your journal, or you can use random fabric scraps that you may have in your fabric stash. Cut or tear some fabric pieces slightly larger than your journal card, with a little bit extra on the top or the side so that you can flip it over onto the front of the card. You can use this flip over section to add some stitches or other small buttons or embellishments. Use a glue stick to adhere the card to the top of the fabric. Then sew around the edges either by hand or on a sewing machine. After the fabric backing has been sewn on, you can embellish the cards using hand stitches, metal charms, and fabric and lace scraps. You can either sew these embellishments directly through the card or attach them to the fabric and then glue the fabric to the card once everything is completed. Using creative stitching, fabric manipulation and other embellishments, you can transform your journal cards into beautiful and unique keepsakes that you'll treasure for years to come. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also visit my website where you'll find free tutorials and printables for creative journaling.